Connecting any earbuds, headphones, or speaker to your iPhone 17 Pro Max is super quick and easy. Let's try to pair. So whenever you want to connect your earbuds, headphones, or speakers, you must have to go to settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You can also go from your control center too. So now just open up the lid of your earbuds and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and it's searching for available devices. So if your earbuds have a pairing button, press and hold it. When they enter pairing mode, you can find your earbuds will appear under available devices. Just tap the name and it will connect instantly. Now enjoy your music with it. And now let's pair your headphones or a Bluetooth speaker. The process is almost the same. Put the device in pairing mode by pressing the pairing button. But wait, every time you have to make sure your iPhone isn't already connected to another device. For example, with the JBL Go 3 speaker, power it on first, then press the Bluetooth button twice to enter pairing mode, and it pop up right away. Once connected, you can control the volume from the control center and enjoy your audio like a pro. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.